Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yash Patel, and as you guys know from the banner that today we are going to learn how we can send email through our contact page. Okay, so for reference, I have created just a simple contact form in HTML with the help of Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is very easy, so I have used that. So I have taken three fields: name, email, message, and send button, and register code for HTML. Now, as you guys know that we are going to take help of email.js. So first we will go and type email.js. For the very first link, click on the link. It will redirect to email.js, and here first we have to create the account. Actually I have already created the account, so I will directly sign in, and I will sign into the uh, email.js, and here is the admin panel. So first we have to set up the email.js account. So what we have to do is that add new service, and the very first Gmail service ID, it will automatically create the service ID, and simply connect, select the account and confirm and continue. Okay, and after that just click create service. Okay, so service is created successfully. Now we have to set up our email template. So for that, create new template. Here you can see a template. uh, First I will say, here I will write a subject that what message from YouTube tutorial. Okay, and I will simply name. Okay, now I will edit and edit via editor. uh, Here I will simply take email, sorry, name. Here also I will take name. Here we can say email. Hello, Yasley. Okay, you have message from this email. You get new message from this mail. Okay, no problem, we will edit this. Hello, Yasley, you got a new message from name, and email is this one. Okay, now message. Now I will say uh, team yes slay. Okay, simply just apply changes, and here you can say the all changes are done, and simply just save. Okay, now template is saved. Now what we have to do is that again go back to email.js website and go to document section, and from document section you will see tutorial section, and in that section uh, create a contact form. Okay, so first we will use the simple CDN, and the CDN is this one, and this one as well. So first two we will copy and we will go to our contact page, find head tag, and in head tag we will paste the CDN links. Now we have to replace our public key and put it here. Now where you can find the public key, so again you have to go to the email.js admin panel and go to your profile page, right? So click on your profile and here you can see your public key. Copy and replace it right here. Okay, and now you have to create another script file and link it to I have already created another script file in script folder, so dot slash script and name is email.js. now open the email. Right now it's blank, so here we have to code the email.js, and that code you will find from my git repository, and this repository I will pin down to my uh, description box. So simply just copy, paste, and here you guys have to make changes. First you guys have to update the service ID and template ID. Now first, where you will find the service ID, again go back to your admin panel, go to email service, and here it is service ID. So copy service ID and replace, update it, and from template you guys can find template ID. So template ID and settings, and here is the template ID, copy and replace. Okay, done. Now to get this we have to go to our contact page, find your fields. So first field is name. So name, so we will give id is equal to name. Make sure your id name is same as this id, because we will get id by id, right? So for email we have simply email, so we'll go to email and press id is equal to email, and for message id is equal to copy and paste, save. Now for button we have to create on click, and we have to give function this send email. So when we will click, this function will be called. Okay, now everything is set up. We have set our name, email, message, and button click. We set up our email and template. Now let's go to our contact page, click refresh, and what I'm gonna do is yes slay email is going to anything like y@gmail.com. okay, and message is I'm gonna say just subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the send button. Okay, successfully your response sent successfully. Okay, now let's go to gmail and yeah, here you go. Yeah, message from YT tutorial. Yes, yeah, here you can see you get a new message from Yesley. We write the name. uh, this was the email, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. This was the message, right? Okay, so that was all. I hope you guys find this video very helpful. If you guys find any difficulties, please comment down. And if you guys like the video, then hit the like button, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. And yeah, that's all from me. In next video I will come with another new feature for you guys to make your website make your website uh, uh, filled with much features. So yeah, that's all. See you in next video. Till then, slay the code. Bye.